Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Your support helps a lot.
Quiet is driving me insane.
1,000 subscribers. Special Blox Fruits giveaway. Hey everyone, once our channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I'm hosting an amazing giveaway. Prizes: 2 times permanent Buddha fruit, 1 times permanent light fruit. Entering is simple. Subscribe to the channel, like this post, comment, joined below. Winners will be chosen randomly and announced once we hit 1,000 subscribers. Don't miss your chance. Good luck.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Please hit me hard with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down, walls are coming down. Just wanna feel alive. If I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I'm just waiting for the fight, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try try to tell myself this isn't love. But I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Taking the world you'll see.